Have you ever wondered why some women seem to age gracefully, even though the stress and chaos of the holiday season kind of gets to them? Today, I'm going to show you one of my top skincare tools to gift the beauty connoisseur in your life. And the device that is hands down my favorite anti-aging skincare tool. It's the Nira Laser Plus second generation, along with the Nira Precision. These are the tools I use every single day, and the ones that have helped me prep my skin for the holiday season, tighten sagging skin, soften fine lines, and literally build back collagen over time. If you want firmer, smoother, healthier looking skin during the busiest time of the year, then stay with me because this device is the best kept skincare secret for fine lines and wrinkles. But before I go any further, listen closely because Nira's Black Friday sale is coming up, and it's the lowest pricing they offer all year. The sale starts November the 19th, runs through November the 30th, and it's 20% off site-wide. If you have ever considered investing in yourself and getting a medical grade tool that actually stimulates collagen and strengthens your skin from within, this is when to do it. These are the lowest prices Nira offers all year long, so definitely go ahead and pick this up while it's discounted. Now let me explain why I love the Nira devices so much. The Nira Laser Plus and the Nira Precision both are non-fractional laser technology. This is not LED. This is not microcurrent, and this is not radio frequency. This is a true laser that uses controlled dermal heating to stimulate your skin to produce more collagen on its own. It's FDA-cleared, clinically proven, and one of the only devices on the market that is safe and effective around your eyes. When you use this consistently, you will see less redness, reduced wrinkles, increased collagen production, visible skin tightening, and even the reduction of dark spots. Your skin becomes stronger, smoother, and more youthful because you're rebuilding the matrix underneath, not just temporarily plumping the surface. Now let me break down the difference between the two devices so you know which one fits your need and which one would make the perfect gift for any skincare obsessed friend in your life. The Nira Laser Plus, which is the second generation device, is designed to treat larger areas of the face. Think forehead lines, think crow's feet, cheeks, jawline, smile lines, even the neck. It delivers stronger collagen stimulating heat and is ideal for women who want overall rejuvenation. This is the device that helps tighten sagging skin, soften deeper wrinkles, and improves the overall structure and firmness of the face. Now, larger areas, broader lines, and general anti-aging, the Laser Plus, this is my go-to. Now, the Laser Precision is exactly what it sounds like. It's a smaller, more targeted tool for detailed areas. This is perfect for my upper lip, my crow's feet, my 11s, between the brows, smile lines, and any small section that needs focused treatment. I love using the Precision under my eyes, around those little areas that tend to crease with age. It's travel friendly and incredibly easy to use, especially if you have certain areas that bother you more than others. Now, let me tell you, both of these devices make the perfect holiday gift. If you're shopping for the beauty lover, skincare enthusiast, or someone who is serious about aging gracefully, this is the gift that will blow them away. Instead of spending money on temporary fixes, invest in yourself this Black Friday or your friend. These will actually change their skin over time, and I can promise you they are worth it. Now let's talk about how easy these devices are to use. You can use the Nira every single day, and you actually should, because daily use is how you get faster results. I use mine every single morning on clean, dry skin. You simply turn on the device, touch it to the skin, and do quick 1-second pulses as you move across the wrinkle line or treatment area. It's literally a tap and move process that takes less than 3 minutes. It's warm, it's not painful, and once you get used to the rhythm, it becomes second nature. After you finish, you need to follow up with a hydrating serum or a good moisturizer. Your skin will drink it in because the laser has warmed up the deeper layers and improved absorption. Over time, you will start to notice softer, fine lines, a brighter and more even skin tone, more lifted and plumped areas around the eyes, and tightening effect that makes your skin look firmer and more youthful. Most people start noticing improvements in about 2 to 4 weeks, and by 8 to 12 weeks of a consistent use, the transformation can be incredible. This is why I call this the best kept skincare secret for fine lines and wrinkles. You are literally helping your skin rebuild itself. And with the holidays coming, now's the perfect time to start. Holiday events, photos, parties, and stress can take a toll on our skin, and this is such a powerful way to take care of yourself and feel confident in self-care during the busiest season of the year. And if you're gifting it to someone else, it is such a thoughtful and luxurious present for any woman who loves skincare and wants to age gracefully. So let me repeat this part because I don't want you to miss it. Nira's Black Friday sale runs from November 19th through November the 30th, and it's 20% off site-wide. This is the biggest sale they're going to do all year long. If you're going to get one, get it now. If you're going to gift one, get it now. The pricing truly does not get better than this. I'll have my link available so you can shop directly and get the Black Friday discount. I love these devices. I use them every single day, and I recommend them wholeheartedly because they have made such a difference in my skin. If you want firmer, smoother, younger looking skin, or if you want to give someone a really meaningful beauty gift this season, Nira is it. Invest in yourself this Black Friday. You deserve to look and feel your best. Thank you for watching, and go grab it while it's on sale.